I'm Kritika Khitan and I reside in Guwahati, Assam, and it's in northeastern India. I'm a practicing psychologist and I'm a student of Optimum Wellness Academy. My experience studying at Optimum Wellness Academy was a very good journey. I learned a lot. I experienced a lot of changes in myself. I could see that many things that I thought I knew was also brushed up. I learned many new concepts and I learned the application skills. I learned how to make diet plans, how to get about those calorie concepts, how to apply those in real life situations, and basically how to communicate better. I used to fumble a lot and I still feel I need to learn a lot, but I feel I'm much more confident and Optimum Wellness has played a great role in it. And the teachers, the faculty members, everybody is very supportive. They help a lot and it's a great team. And I would like to say that it's a very great opportunity to study here. And it's my honor to be a part of this academy. At Optimum Wellness Academy, I opted for Diploma in Food Nutrition and Dietetics and Diploma in Sports, Fitness and Personal Training. I loved many topics and many concepts in this entire curriculum, but if I have to select for the sake of this question, I would say the topics where I was taught how to make diet plans and how to apply them practically. And the most important part and the concept that intrigued me and made me very excited was where I was taught how to brand myself, how to make a branding part, how to make myself as a professional and how to present myself as a professional, how to make a logo, how to make presentations. That was a very interesting part for me. And when I was in college studying to become a psychologist, even there no one would come up and say that, go ahead, do this, make this way, make presentations this way, make your brand logo, make your page, prove yourself. Those things are not there. There's no one to motivate you in that aspect. But when it comes to OWA, I would not be shy to say that they taught us how to brand market ourselves, how to make a marketing strategy, how to make a page grow, how to make good and effective plans. And it was a very interesting journey. I learned many things, including how to handle clients, how to speak to clients, how to communicate well. And the most important and effective part for me was client communication and how to work on my own communication skills, how to handle clients and how to handle patients and clients of different mindsets, different personalities from different backgrounds, and how to cater to their personal needs. And I would say OWA excelled at it. And it helped me a lot, and I'll make sure I'll help my clients a lot too. Optimum Wellness Academy is a hub of excellent teachers. I have to clearly say this, in my entire life, I have met such approachable teachers, such good and well-versed teachers after a very long time. They are well-versed with what they are teaching. They are knowledgeable yet practical. And moreover, I would love to say that all the teachers are, I'll say 24/7 available. If by chance they are not able to answer any questions like on that immediate basis, they'll take some time, but they will give you a very practical and an approachable answer. And I feel that the teachers at Optimum Wellness are very intelligent. They are practical and up to date. They know what is going on in the industry and they teach the students according to the needs of the society. They teach everything in a very easy way and in a very applicable form. And I feel that the teachers out here very friendly. They know how to teach in a way students do not feel a burden on them. They feel they are learning it in a very day-to-day handy manner, and all the things, the materials provided by them come very handy in practical scenarios. So I would love to say that the teachers at Optimum Wellness are great. Honestly, I took some time to research for my own benefit to see which academies are there in the market, in the industry, which can help me gain good and a practical approach towards nutrition. And when I came across Optimum Wellness, I knew that I have to opt for this academy because I saw their Instagram page and I got to see that they have a very practical approach. And I personally, when I joined the course, I was very happy. I was very flabbergasted. I was feeling that I learned a lot. It is helping me a lot, and moreover, the concepts are so practical, so easy to apply. I could easily make changes in my own life. I could see changes, improvements in my lifestyle, and I became so confident that I want to make changes in people's life as well. Earlier, I always used to feel nutrition is not that important. But when I become a student at OWA, I realized that they are teaching in such a good way, in such a practical approach, and they have such an easy to go concepts. The notes are handy, and the entire curriculum is so well designed that it gives the students so much of confidence that even if they have no practical or prior knowledge about nutrition, they still can opt for it and make a remarkable change in their own lives as well as a change in the society. I would like to say that the link is between the mind and the soul. So both the studies involve the relation in our mind and our body. Psychology involves the study of mind and body as a whole, and nutrition is a very vital part of our lives. Without nutrition, we cannot expect a healthy and a mindful body. In today's world, when everybody is in a race and constantly competing, we really need to be healthy and aware of what we are eating, how we are staying, and what sort of lifestyle we are choosing for ourselves. And I believe, being a psychologist, I feel nutrition also plays a very important role in our lives. And if I, being a psychologist, does not pay attention or does not look into the aspects of nutrition, it is a lacking part. And I feel me studying nutrition and guiding my patients and my clients with my knowledge and how I feel, my knowledge will help them. This will prove to be a great benefit and a great change in the society. I feel if I be able to change even one thing, one part of any patient's life, it will be a great change and it will be a great honor for me. I would like to say that the modern way of teaching and education comes in a lot more handy. It saves a lot of time and is time efficient. And moreover, I would love to say that when it comes to online classes, you have the option of recorded lectures and more smoother journey. You can opt for making your personalized notes and adding a personal touch to your notes. That is actually not possible in offline classes, as you don't get them recorded. You have to make it then and there. And I would love to share a good news that as soon as I completed my course at Optimum Wellness, I could opt that with my own family members, my personal people around me. And I got 2 clients from the US and UK whom I helped in their transformations. I helped them make their diet plans. And that was a great journey. It was a great opportunity for me that just after immediate completion, I got to work with such brilliant clients. And it was a great opportunity. And I felt I'm more confident now. It's a great question, and I was looking forward to this question. As a psychologist, this question intrigues me the most because when I joined Optimum Wellness, my main agenda was to learn how to make diets and how to implement that in our day-to-day lives. Now, when it comes to my clients, they will obviously want to know about the practical aspects more than the theoretical aspects. Now, when I have learned the entire thing in my registered mind and I can apply it, I know what is the requirement of each and every client. I know what's the protein breakdown. I know what's the macros requirement. I know what should be maintained when it comes to fats and carbohydrates. Now, when it comes to a 50-year-old client and a child, I know, I can compare, right? I know that a 50-year-old client should be given what and should not be suggested, and a kid what he should be given or she should be given and what not. Now I can differentiate and give them a very balanced diet which they can go through and balance and have a very hassle-free journey in their day-to-day life as well. This will help them. This will help all my clients to have a very good diet, a good nutrition and a balanced lifestyle. When it comes to planning, the diet planning aspect, I have learned many different ways how to create a very good diet plan. I learned how to make presentations, how to use AI softwares, international softwares, how to make a handwritten presentation, how to make a handwritten thing. I can make a very good presentation and I'm confident that I can provide a very well-versed and a very professional diet plan to my clients, and they'll be happy about it and they'll see a great transformation in themselves. The WhatsApp support provided is also very well designed. The teachers are there to always help you. They always made sure the students are comfortable, and if we drop a message, they made sure within a very short span, they answer back to our queries, they revert back, and whenever we feel we need to interact, other than any other topic related to the curriculum as well, the teachers are available. I felt that personally, if I ever needed to speak to any teacher in relation to the curriculum, in relation to any practical thing, or in relation to day-to-day life, the teachers were always available. Be it the WhatsApp support, be it the call support, and I feel the teachers are always there. And yes, the WhatsApp support is very smooth and it's very handy. I would say there is a lot of importance of the clinical and the medical lectures, because I feel nutrition is not only limited to the body, it's also connected to the mind. And me being a psychologist, I respect that, and I feel what I have learned will help me cater to a lot of patients. Now, there are many patients that come to me with the inferiority and the feeling that they have body image problems. They face body image issues. They feel that they look a certain way and they do not want it, or they are suffering from many disorders and they want to get over it. But the fact that they are not able to, and they are facing many mental health issues also due to that, they are facing a lot of anxiety. And so to cater to them also, I feel me learning this course has helped me to get them over with those problems. I've learned about PCOS, thyroid, I've learned about diabetes, about the tests to be done, the precautions to be taken, about uric acid, and that a lot of role that is played by low purine foods in helping prevent them, in helping us prevent them. So I feel my knowledge will help a lot of patients to get over those inferiorities, those concerns, and that will help them to, build a very good rapport for themselves. They'll feel confident in their day-to-day lives. And I feel what I have learned will help them get over those, bad feelings and those anxiety, the anxiety a patient feels in their tough times. I would actually be able to help them from the root cause. That will help them get over it completely. So I feel not only a person needs to get over their, tensions, a lot of stress. I feel if they work on their mental health along with their physical health, it will be a great combo. So I would say this is, my learning those clinical parts and the medical lectures. This combination is helping me professionally in my journey as a student as well as a psychologist. So I would recommend this, and I would say the people working in the healthcare industries, the professionals, they should definitely opt for this course, because this will help them in their curriculum as well as to cater to their patients better. I learned a lot of clinical concepts and I could apply that also. I learned about diabetes. Earlier, I did not even know the type of diabetes, there. Now I know there's type 1 diabetes, which is a hereditary issue, and type 2 diabetes, which is a lifestyle disorder. There is type 2, there is a test called HbA1c, and like the use of glucometers. And I learned about many beautiful tests as well. I learned about prenatal care, postnatal care. I learned about uric acid, and I learned the use and the importance of low purine foods given to the patient suffering from uric acid. I learned about thyroid, about hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism. I learned about child care as well. So I would say that overall I learned a lot, and it was a wide range of topics covered in a very good and in a very curated manner. It was a very vast yet a very well designed and a very crisp course. Indeed, it was a very smartly and well-designed curriculum. I would say the assignments it did include a lot of hard work, but I would say those hardworking times will indeed prove useful, and it has already proved useful for me. See, after completing my course, I'm already getting clients and I'm able to handle them well. So I would love to say those assignments helped me well. It cleared a lot of concepts and made me confident. The assignments were curated very smartly in a way. I would say they taught us how to make our brand logos. They made it mandatory for us to, start an online page, work on them, and make a very influential and a very attractive page. Had it been not a mandatory assignment, I would say many people would have backed out. I can say that I might have also backed out. I might have said that, I'm camera shy, or I do not want to make a page who will look at me. But now when I see that I have done a very good research, the teachers have motivated us, they have pushed us, they have personally looked into each of their students and made sure that their constructive feedback made our pages even more attractive and approachable. And I feel the content now that we are able to make with the teachers' help is very influential, and it is very audience friendly. They are able to relate to us. They find it very useful in their day-to-day lives. And I feel the assignments are curated very well. We had one assignment on a social media, and we got an assignment on how to make our diet plans for a veg client and a non-veg client. And I feel with the teacher's help and on my own personal knowledge and my experience, I could make a very good client plan, and the teachers gave a very constructive and a good feedback that helped me make the necessary changes, and I could improve a lot. So I would say those assignments are very smartly made, and the students who find it difficult, I would say that they really need to work a lot. They need to work harder. Even they'll be able to do it, and it's a very good assignment planned by the teachers. the academy shared the call recordings and the client conversations with all their students, and I feel it was a very great call from the faculty and the teachers, because I feel that personally it helped me a lot to consult with my clients in a very better and a very professional manner. It helped me how to converse with them in their requirement aspects in a way that could cater to their needs, and in a way they will not feel uncomfortable or judged. Me being a psychologist, I know the patients fear that they will be judged. They feel that their conversations might leak. They might, not respect their privacy. But me being a psychologist, I understand the client's privacy levels and the requirement of being the conversation between the two of us. So I feel Optimum Wellness Academy taking this step to personally take permission from their clients to share those recordings and information with their students just to make them more confident and clear with their concepts is a very impeccable and a very remarkable step taken by them. And I feel this will help many students to overcome their fear to converse, to communicate. They will learn how to converse better and in a very better way, in a very confident manner, and they'll learn how to speak fluently. I myself from those call recordings learned how to speak with my clients, how to tackle them, how to handle their moods and their, at the moment personality. This helps a lot in the personal rapport building. It helped the clients to understand the teacher better, and I would say I learned a lot how to deal with my clients in a more effective manner. The part of writing notes and the content that we learn and we grasp through writing notes is much more better than when it comes to slides. The teachers out at Optimum Wellness push their students, motivate them to write, and I feel their willingness to push each of their students to write their notes and add a personal touch to it is remarkable. I feel them taking this good steps, this great measures is a very good example for everybody that teachers should be aware and should care about the students, learning as well as their tendency to grasp more and in a better way. And I feel that learning through writing makes it very easy to recognize and to recall in the longer term, in the longer period. The cognitive skills and the cognitive process becomes active. Me being a psychologist, I know that writing makes everybody recall things very fast. It makes them recall, remember, and apply on spot. The applying skills become very crisp, clear. So I feel that the writing portion of the academy is very good. They have taken a good step to make the students write, as this will improve their cognitive skills. This will help them recall faster, and the concepts will keep on running in their minds, and they'll feel that whenever a question is asked, they have it in their minds. And writing basically makes them well aware of what they are learning, and they'll keep on, when we tend to write, we tend to spell those words as well. So we'll learn better, we'll revise better, and in the longer run, those notes will also come handy. Whenever we need it, we can open those copies and check, I had written that down, I had written this down, and I have it with me. I can show to my clients the examples I learned. So I'll say writing notes always comes more handy than slides. The teacher's approach was very practical and nice. I would love to say that they taught in English and as well as in Hindi. And if there is a student in the batch who feels or they feel they are not able to understand, the teacher tries their best to make them understand in their way. I feel the languages used were not a barrier for me. It was easily comprehensive and I could easily get through it. I understood everything. If I felt that I did not understand anything, I made sure I asked those doubts. I made sure to note them down and ask them later if the class felt going going longer and I felt that right now it's not the right time. But whenever I asked a question about anything I did not understand, I was immediately answered. It was made sure that I understood and I was clear about those concepts. And I feel there was no language barrier for me as such. So it's a great question. Indeed, as we all know, everybody is shy and a bit tends to speak about money aspects when it comes to courses or anything, like speaking in front of so many people. But I would say when it comes to me, as my aspect, I would say I was skeptical that will it be worth it? Will they prove their worth, the amount of money I'm paying? But I feel that after paying and after me enrolling and completing that entire course, I feel that every penny I spent on their course is worth it. Indeed, the course was very expensive. There were many institutions running in the market, and I felt tempted towards them as well. I saw their courses, I saw their entire curriculum, their entire running method, their entire plan for the year. But I feel that when I checked out Optimum Wellness, they had a very good plan, a very approachable method, and I thought, why not invest? I took that leap of faith and I spent my money. And I would say that it was a good and a very great investment. And now, after when I've completed my course as well, I could recover back a huge chunk of money as well. So why not? It's a good institution, and I would recommend people to please invest. Good things require little investment, but it is worth it. Duration matters a lot. Too long can make a lecture boring, and too short can make it too boring as well, I'll say. So I would say, again, Optimum Wellness took a remarkable step here. They are leading the race. They designed their courses in the very perfect duration style, I would say. They took the required and the ample time needed to make a student understand, to make concepts crisp, clear. I would say it was a very well-designed course with the required durations for each and every lecture. The lectures weren't too long. It lasted around 2 to 3 hours, which is a good time, and one can easily sit for that and grasp all the concepts. And I would say it was well oriented, and it is a great tool for gradual learning. And overall, I'll say over the period of time, the concepts were clear and the duration was good for me. I would wholeheartedly and definitely recommend the course at OWA, because they have a very smartly devised plan, a smartly curated course, and it caters to the personal needs of each and every student. I myself can guarantee that I can say that no student will go back saying that they did not learn anything. At the end of the day, every student will feel they learned something and they'll feel confident. And the students, they themselves will feel, no, now I'm ready to make a change in the society. The course at OWA is so helpful, and the notes and every resource provided by the faculty comes in so handy that you can use it any day in your day-to-day life. The faculty is open to you 24/7. They are available to you even after you have completed your course, and the teachers are there for you for your entire life. Once you are done doesn't mean that they'll not be available. Many institutions, the teachers, after you complete the course, do not stay in touch, or they do not feel the need to communicate anymore. But I would proudly say that the OWA faculty and the teachers out there are amazing. They have maintained the student-teacher relationship. They have felt the need to communicate even after the curriculum. Further than the study curriculum, they are always there for the students, and I feel OWA is a very good platform to learn about fitness, nutrition, and your day-to-day lifestyle. So it's a 100% recommendation.